Assalamu alaikum dear fantastic video viewers. It's me Alif Ahmed. Welcome back to my another video. I am back with a new video. And I'm optimistic that everyone is fit and fine, and I'm doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So happy Jummah Mubarak to all, and it's a Friday, that's why I have no any schedule and routine. So that's why now I am going to my house. I will stay in my village the whole day. Then I will be back to my workplace, and actually in this day I just enjoy myself, and inshallah this day will be very interesting day and captivating day for me. This is very captivating moment because of in this hustle and bustle area I just making video, and we know that public speaking can kills our hesitation, kills our fear. So that's why I just recommend you, if you want to learn English, so you have to make video in front of people, in front of public place. So you can see now I am in hustle and bustle area. On my left side there is a lots of food court. On my right side actually you can see there is a park which his name is Sheikh Russell Shishu Park. Over there is also Shohid Minar, which is the second largest Shohid Minar in Bangladesh. I just making video at this moment. Most of the people, they are looking at me, and I feel shy, that's why. I don't have any sunglasses at this moment, so that's why I just want to close my video. So no more today. Allah Hafiz.